Have you ever wondered why almost every big tech company depends on one chip factory? Well, that is exactly why this news is so interesting. A Japanese company called Rapidus is getting ready to challenge TSMC, the biggest chip maker in the world. And their biggest weapon is simple. They want to make advanced chips for less money. Right now, TSMC is expected to charge around $30,000 for one wafer. A wafer is a large, round piece of silicon that is used to make hundreds or even thousands of computer chips. Rapidus says it plans to charge around $20,000 for the same type of advanced 2-nanometer class wafer. That is a huge difference. If big companies can save that much money, they will definitely pay attention. But here is where things get really interesting. Just because something is cheaper does not always mean it is the better choice. TSMC has spent many years becoming the world's #1 chip maker. It already works with companies like Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Qualcomm, and many others. It has massive factories, years of experience, and technology that has already been tested by many customers. By the time Rapidus starts making chips in the second half of 2027, TSMC will already be making even better chips with newer technology. And by 2028, when Rapidus is expected to produce large numbers of chips, TSMC could already be using its next-generation process called A16, along with another improved 2-nanometer technology. So while Rapidus is just getting started, TSMC will already be several steps ahead. That shows how difficult it is to catch a company that has been leading for so many years. There's another big reason why companies love TSMC. It's not only about making chips. TSMC also gives customers many helpful tools to design their chips, test them, and package them before they are shipped. It has built a huge system that makes life much easier for companies. Rapidus does not have that complete system yet. Even Intel Foundry and Samsung Foundry are still trying to catch up in this area. So if a company chooses Rapidus, it may save money, but it could also lose some of the extra support that TSMC already provides. Now, you may be asking, if Rapidus is behind, why would anyone choose them? Well, Rapidus has one very interesting idea. Instead of making many wafers together during production, it wants to process one wafer at a time. That may sound slower, but Rapidus believes this method can actually finish each wafer much faster from start to finish. In simple words, customers could get their chips much sooner. For companies racing to launch new products, saving time can be just as important as saving money. Of course, there's also a downside. Processing one wafer at a time may not be as efficient, and it could cost Rapidus more money to run its factory. So the big question is, can lower prices and faster production convince companies to leave TSMC? Nobody knows yet, but Rapidus is clearly serious about this challenge. Reports say the company is already talking with more than 50 potential customers, and many of them are from outside Japan. That means companies around the world are watching very closely. The chip industry is becoming more competitive than ever before. The more companies competing, the better it is for everyone. More competition can lead to lower prices, faster technology, and more choices for customers. Even if Rapidus does not become bigger than TSMC, it could still push the entire industry to improve, and that is something worth watching. This is definitely one of the biggest chip stories to keep an eye on over the next few years. If Rapidus succeeds, it could completely change how advanced chips are made and who makes them. If it struggles, then it will show just how difficult it is to challenge the biggest company in the semiconductor industry. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think companies will take the cheaper option from Rapidus, or will they stay with TSMC because of its experience and trusted technology? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you missed my previous tech video, make sure you go back and check it out because I covered another exciting story from the world of technology that you don't want to miss. If you enjoy simple tech videos that explain complicated topics in a way anyone can understand, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join the channel because there are plenty more exciting tech updates coming your way.